Hello, amazing people in the community. Today, let's talk about hiccups. Hiccups happen when the breathing muscle called diaphragm suddenly spasms. Basically, your diaphragm presses the wrong button for a few seconds. What are the common causes for hiccups? First, spicy food, fizzy drinks, eating too fast, laughing a lot, and sudden excitement. Yes, when you're too excited about the food too, it can cause hiccups. Now, what do most people do to stop them? First, sip cold water. Second, breathe slowly and calmly. In conclusion, hiccups are usually harmless and temporary, but if they last a very long time or happen often, it's the best time to see the doctor.